My name is Dr. Geneva Worthington. I'm from Knoxville, Tennessee, and I'm a trainer for R3 medical training. And I do the threading and the aesthetics portions, and it's a very, very nice thing to add to your practice. Yeah, I got started with threads probably about 7 years ago, and I do threads pretty much in all over the body. I do face, lower face, I do necks, eyebrow lifts, crow's feet, lip lines, I do butt lifts, breast lifts, legs and knees. Pretty much threads are a very versatile tool that is very useful to have in order to do things that can't really accomplish with Botox and fillers and neuromuscular agents. If you want to do threads, you really need to take a hands-on course where you are going to be the person applying the threads under the direct supervision of someone that's done it for a long time. So R3 offers a fantastic program for that because you do get to do the hands-on experience. And you can watch a YouTube video, you can read about it, you can be told about it, but there's nothing like hands-on with threads. I would not recommend anyone doing threads without taking a hands-on course where someone is standing there with you and you're using a live model. There's just no way to know the depth of penetration that you need to put the thread. There's no way to know how much pressure to apply when placing the thread, and so many other things with threads that just can't be taught in a YouTube video or reading about it, or just reading literature. It's really a hands-on experience, and it should be a hands-on experience.